Number 1.
1986 Chevrolet S10, price $9,900. This truck features an automatic transmission, a gray exterior paired with a gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. It has been upgraded with a strong 350 CI V8 and was originally equipped as a factory AC truck. Although the AC is currently inoperative, the truck runs and drives great and makes an excellent cruiser. It underwent an older restoration that still presents very well today, with zero rust on the body and exceptionally clean frame and floors. It has also been fluid filmed for added protection. The truck is believed to have around 100,000 miles, while the engine, transmission, paint, and related components are estimated to have approximately 6,000 miles since being redone. The current owner purchased the truck already completed.
Number 2.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $6,950. Amazingly clean one-owner truck with only 54,935 original miles, making it a rare and well-preserved example. Powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives perfectly with smooth performance on the road. The truck is finished in a classic green exterior complemented by a matching green interior, giving it a unique and timeless appearance that really stands out. It has been fully serviced and inspected, showing the level of care it has received over the years. The interior remains in exceptionally well-kept condition with very minimal wear, while the paint still presents nicely and maintains a clean shine. The truck also comes with a great set of tires and wheels that complete its sharp overall look. From its low mileage to its excellent condition inside and out, this Ranger is a hard-to-find compact pickup that has clearly been carefully maintained and preserved by its original owner.
Number 3.
2003 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,000, powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and currently shows 199,000 miles. It features a silver exterior with a gray interior and has been owned for approximately 5 years, serving as an excellent and dependable work truck throughout that time. Mechanically, the truck is in excellent condition and has been consistently well maintained. It starts, runs, and drives strong, making it a dependable daily driver, work truck, or weekend utility vehicle. The truck is PA inspected through January 27, giving added confidence to the next owner. Cosmetically, it does show normal wear for its age, including some dings, dents, and minor imperfections, which is expected for a 23-year-old truck that has been used as intended. However, these cosmetic flaws do not take away from its overall reliability, capability, or solid performance. Clean title in hand and ready for its next owner.
Number 4.
1992 Ford F-150, price $6,200, powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 124,000 original miles. Finished in a red exterior with a clean gray interior, this 2WD pickup runs and drives well and has clearly been well cared for over the years. The frame and body are completely rust-free, and the interior remains in immaculate condition for a truck of its age. It features a dual exhaust system that gives the truck a strong, great-sounding tone, along with good tires, a clear title, and no oil leaks. While it is not a brand-new truck, it is in remarkably solid condition and would be an excellent choice for someone looking for a dependable classic pickup or a great restoration project. Overall, this F-150 offers a clean appearance, reliable performance, and the timeless style that makes these older Ford trucks so desirable.
Number 5.
2001 Ford F-150, price $9,750, equipped with a dependable 5.4L Triton V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This gasoline-powered truck has 162,000 miles and features a burgundy exterior complemented by a clean tan interior. Originally from Florida, the truck has very little rust and has been well cared for over the years. It runs and drives great with no warning lights on the dashboard, and the tires are fairly new with only about 5,000 miles on them. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a replaced emergency brake system, fresh rear differential fluid service, new front and rear headlights, a new engine air filter, fresh engine oil and filter change, and an undercarriage coating for added protection and longevity. Overall, this F-150 is a solid, reliable, and clean truck that's ready for daily driving, towing, or work use.
Number 6.
1997 Dodge Dakota, price $4,995, powered by a reliable 3.9L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 138,000 miles on the odometer, this two-wheel drive truck has been maintained nicely and still runs, drives, and performs excellent. It features a white exterior matched with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance both inside and out. Originally from Pennsylvania, the truck remains very clean overall and shows well for its age. It comes equipped with power windows, cold air conditioning, tilt steering, and cruise control, making it comfortable and practical for everyday driving or light hauling. The Dakota has also passed New York State inspection and is being offered by a dealer. Overall, it is a solid driving midsize pickup with dependable performance, a clean presentation, and useful factory options.
Number 7.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,999, comes with a clean title and up-to-date tags. Powered by a strong 5.9L gas engine paired with an automatic transmission, this lifted 4x4 runs and drives great with a smooth ride. The truck has 190,000 miles and features a red exterior with a black interior. The AC works properly, it starts right up every time, and the brakes feel solid. The tires still have plenty of tread left, making it ready for daily driving or off-road use.
It also includes locking toolboxes in the bed, a durable Rhino-Line paint job, and wiring already installed for subwoofers.
Overall, it's a clean and dependable truck with a strong presence and plenty of useful upgrades.
Number 8.
1982 Toyota Hilux, price $7,900, features a strong running 22-or engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in black with a blue interior, the truck has a clean and classic look that stands out. It has been upgraded with a brand new Weber 3236 carburetor that has been professionally installed and properly tuned for reliable performance. The engine bay has been simplified with all emission components and vacuum lines removed for a cleaner setup. It also includes a new radiator, hoses, thermostat, mechanical fuel pump, fuel lines, and a fuel pressure regulator with gauge. The suspension has been fully refreshed with all new shocks, and the truck has been lowered approximately 4 inches while still maintaining a great ride quality. Lowering blocks were installed in the rear, and the front torsion bars have been adjusted to complete the stance.
Number 9.
1991 Ford F-150, price $3,200, powered by the dependable 300 inline-6 engine and has 128,000 miles on the odometer.
It comes with an automatic transmission, a clean white exterior, and a blue interior, running on gasoline.
The truck has been well maintained and recently updated with several new parts, including new tires, belts, exhaust system, wipers, starter, and a fresh oil change, making it ready to drive and enjoy. Both the heater and air conditioning are fully functional, adding to the comfort and reliability of the vehicle. The truck is titled as a Pennsylvania Antique Historic Vehicle and presents itself as a solid classic pickup with plenty of character. Overall, it appears to be a well-kept example of an early 90s Ford truck that is ready for its next owner.
Number 10.
1987 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500, cool little 4WD truck with only 52,000 actual miles. It comes equipped with a 2.8L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, making it a fun and engaging truck to drive. Finished in black with a red interior, this gasoline-powered S10 stands out wherever it goes and gets plenty of attention. The frame and floor pans are in great condition, and the truck has been fully sorted and road-ready. Recent maintenance and upgrades include tires, brakes, brake lines, shocks, and clutch. It runs and drives great with solid performance both on and off the road.
It also features a nice stereo system with an amp and subwoofer, adding to the overall driving experience.